So today we're making a carrot cake. This will be a nice breakfast for tomorrow. Now here, this is all-purpose flour with half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and that's it. Or Blue Band. Use about 2 scoops. We're going to add in our 3 eggs. This is orange juice. We're going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of orange juice. 1 and 1/2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Our carrot slices, our carrot, just a bit. We're going to mix everything together. Finally, we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of milk to the mixture. There we go.
Some oil on the sufuria.
There we go. Alright, use a knife, press it through. If it comes out clean, it's ready. And as you can see, it's clean. Cake is pretty much ready. Soft and spongy.